Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Roger from Dandy's World. So first we're going to get started with our eye. So we're going to start on the top by drawing a straight line from left to right. Moving underneath this now, we're going to curve this line all the way around, bringing this over and then up on the right hand side, connecting that together. Coming down now in the middle, we're going to draw in a sideways letter V. On the top, we're going to curve this line around and then up, connecting that together. And then moving down underneath, we're going to start in the corner, curving this line back around and then up, connecting that in towards the top. Now let's move around our eye and draw in a nice big circle. So starting on the top, we're going to start by curving this line around and then in on the bottom. And then starting back on our top line now, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then closing that off underneath. Moving around that now, we're going to draw in another circle. So starting on the top, let's curve this line around and then in on the bottom. And then starting back on our top line now, we're going to continue to curve this line all the way around and then in underneath. Moving over towards the right hand side now, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out. And then stepping further in, let's replicate that again one more time. Now from here, we're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. And then moving up, let's replicate that again. In the middle now, we're going to draw in a curved line, arching this line around and then in. And then in the middle, we're going to draw in a small curved line that comes down. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right. To the left of this now, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right. Now from here, from the corner, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the center. And then from our center line here, we're just going to curve this line over. And then from the middle, we're just going to draw in two diagonal lines that come out. Moving back over to our handle now, we're going to draw in another curved line from left to right on the top. Moving over, let's arch this line out on both sides for the collar. And then we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes in towards the middle. Let's move down again and replicate that again one more time. And then underneath, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the center. Now from both sides, we're going to draw in a curved diagonal line that comes up towards the top. Now for the rest of the jacket, in the middle, we're going to draw two diagonal lines that come out on both sides. And then from here on the bottom, we're just going to curve this line around and then up. Now from this corner, we're going to curve this line in towards the top. And then we'll continue to extend this through on the left-hand side. Now for the left arm, we're going to continue to curve this line down. We're going to arch this line around and then in for the hand. And then for the thumb, we're just going to curve this line around and then up. And then to close off our wrist, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line that comes in. Let's draw on our right arm now, holding the briefcase. So on the top, we're going to curve this line down. We're going to arch this line around and then in. And then from here, we're just going to draw in another diagonal line that comes up. From here now, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then from that point, we're just going to arch this line back around and then up towards our sleeve. Now for the handle, we're going to bring this line out and then down. And then moving in, we're going to bring this line out and then back down. Moving over towards the side, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then moving across again, let's replicate that. Now on the top, we're going to draw a diagonal line, connecting those lines together. On the inside, we're going to curve this line down. Moving further out, let's replicate that again. Now from the inside, we're going to curve this line across. And then moving up, let's replicate that, bringing that over on the side. On the top, we're going to draw in a small circle now. And then to the left of this, we're just going to curve this line around And then we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes in towards the bottom. Closing off the rest of the body now, we're going to curve this line around and then up on the right. For the legs now, on the inside, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines that curve down towards the bottom. For the bottom of the feet, we're going to curve this line over and then in. And then from this corner now, we're going to curve this line up towards the top. And that is it. That's how you draw Roger from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all in the next one.